Dear students, I am Prateek Bachwani, mathematics teacher of class 8, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this lecture, I am explaining you about the basic concepts of chapter number 5, data handling. The very first topic is what is a data? A collection of numerical facts about objects or events is called a data. A data can be a group, a collection of anything. Suppose the marks obtained by various students in a class test. So this is also a collection of numerical facts. The heights of different students in centimeter. The number of motor vehicles sold in a shop. A data can be represented in various forms. It can be represented in the form of a frequency distribution table. It is represented in the form of a bar graph, in the form of a histogram, in the form of a pie chart as well. We will study all these, how to make a bar graph, how to make a histogram, a pie chart as well, and frequency distribution table also. So next topic is what is a frequency. The number of times each score or measure occurs in the set is called its frequency. Suppose there are 30 students in a class. Out of 30 students, 10 students scored 5 marks out of 10. 10 students scored 6 marks and 10 students scored 10 marks. 10 students scored 5, 10 students scored 6 and 10 students scored 10 marks. So the frequency of 5 marks is 10. The frequency of 6 marks is also 10. And the frequency of 10 marks is also 10, because 10 students each scored 5, 6 and 10 marks respectively. Next topic is what is a range. The difference between the greatest and the least values of observations in a set of data is called the range of the set of data. Suppose there are 30 students in a class. In a class test out of 50 marks, suppose the least marks obtained is 10 out of 50. Suppose there is a student who has scored 10 marks out of 50. There are students who might have scored 11, 12, 13, 17, 18, 20, 48, 49 and maybe 50 out of 50 also. But according to the data, the least marks obtained by one of the student is 10 out of 50. And there are students who scored 50 out of 50 as well. So 50 is the highest marks obtained. Here the range means the difference between the greatest and the least values of observations. The least value here, the least marks obtained is 10 and the greatest marks obtained is 50. So the difference between 50 and 10, it means 50 minus 10 equals to 40. It means the range of this given data will be equals to 40. Next topic is class interval. The groups, suppose I have taken the groups here as 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. These are called class intervals. In these class intervals, the values in the starting of the class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. The values 0, 5 and 10, these values are known as lower limits. These values are known as lower limits. The smaller of the numbers, the smaller in the class interval 0 to 5 is 5, the smaller in the class interval 5 to 10 is 5, and the smaller in the class interval 10 to 15 is 10. The smaller values are lower limits, and the bigger values in these respective class intervals, that is 5, 10 and 15, these are known as upper limits. Thank you.